Designing for a global audience means seeing how your work looks in every language, but waiting for translations can lead to layout issues and slow down your entire process. What if you could preview your designs in any language without ever leaving Figma? That's exactly what the Strings Figma integration does. It integrates localization directly into your design workflow. Let's get started. First, head to Plugins and go to Manage Plugins. Here, search for Strings, select the plugin and hit Run. You might have to log in via your email address or using the access token. But we're connected now. We select our frame, and we want to make sure the plugin is configured correctly. There are two things to set up here. First, preserve formatting and styling. This ensures that when translations come back, things like bold text, italics, or any rich text styling in your design are respected and maintained. Without this, you'd lose all the carefully crafted formatting in the process. Second, smart key naming. Instead of your keys being named after whatever the layer happens to be called in Figma, you can define a structured naming pattern using macros like page name, frame name, or element type. This keeps your project clean and makes life much easier for developers consuming these keys down the line. I'll pick one of the pre-built examples. With our frame selected, the plugin instantly detects all the text layers. If you're doing this for the first time, your key names will be probably empty, but you simply click on the Regenerate button and the key names in the plugin will populate based on the pattern we just selected. I choose my project here, which is already set up for pre-translation. You can also add a tag to keep things organized. Now, before I push the content over it, we want to set up two important options. Upload screenshots sends a visual snapshot of the design alongside every key. This gives translators the context they need to make the right translation decisions. And upload Figma Preview. We'll come back to that in a moment, but it's what makes the translator experience truly powerful. Now let's push everything over to Strings. Once the push is completed, we will jump over to Phrase Strings to see what just came through. Now here, we will see all our translated languages, and we can see that our keys arrived instantly. You have here the source text, the key names we just generated, and the target languages already being filled in thanks to our pre-translation setup, which automatically kicks off translations as soon as the content arrives. If I click into a key, you'll also see the screenshot right there in the context panel, so the translator knows exactly where in the design this text lives, what surrounds it, everything they need directly in the Strings editor. We've seen the content land in Strings and translations already in progress. Now, as a designer, I want to validate how my design actually looks with real translated content. We can do that by pulling the translations directly back from Strings into Figma. In the Poll tab, I can select the languages I would like to see. If you select only one, you can also decide if you'd like to overwrite your source content or create a new page which keeps the original design untouched and gives us a clean separate page to review. You can also select multiple languages at once and bring them all back in one single action. Instantly, we have fully translated versions of our design for every language right here in Figma, in one go. Notice that the rich text formatting has been preserved too. Bold stays bold, italic stays italic, exactly as we designed it. Okay, now we've seen our translated designs here right in Figma, but let me also show you what happens on the translation side. Remember when we enabled Upload Figma Preview before pushing? That option does two things. It sends the design as an interactive preview and it triggers the creation of a localization job in Phrase TMS, our translation management system. So we are here in the Phrase TMS CAT editor, where translators and linguists work through the content segment by segment. Traditionally, they only see the source text in isolation, but thanks to the Figma preview, the translator sees a live interactive preview of the actual Figma design at the bottom of the editor. Any changes are reflected in real time. If their translation is too long and breaks the layout, they see it immediately and can adjust on the spot, without ever having to ping the designer or wait for a review round. This is what closes the loop between design and localization. And this is just the beginning. Phrase brings your entire workflow together, from design to development to marketing. Now it's your turn to try it.